Celebrities love to wear crystal heels because, well, duh, they're crystalline. Why not? You look like a princess. And of course, I do too. Ooh. But you know, since you can't always break the bank buying shoes you see on Instagram, I thought it'd be fun today to do a little DIY and show you how to make your very own for less. You know, my usual broke bitch style. So without further ado, here we go. DIY rhinestone heels.
What is up, beautiful princesses and princes if you're watching? Hi, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. And today, we're doing a little crafting. It's honestly been a minute since I've done a fashion DIY, so I thought I would get back to my roots because I really only do DIY projects when I have something to do. And I saw some shoes like this on Instagram the other day and I was like, oh my god, I have to make myself a pair. So we're gonna go downtown and pick up some glitters, pick up some shoes, and have a grand old time doing what I do best, gluing stuff to stuff. So without further ado, here we go. Bedazzling some shoes. My favorite pastime. Swiper, no swiping. Alright, so for today's outfit of the day, we really look like Dora the Explorer, except we're not wearing pants and it's more insta-ho. So it's February and it's winter, so I am wearing a sweatshirt, but it's also Los Angeles, so I'm not wearing any pants. Hard to show it, but I got this super cute little yellow backpack the other day, so I thought it'd be fun to wear that to kind of match some crazy neon looking shoes. Boop. Oh my goodness, and you look like Swiper. Come here, honey. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Oh my god, look at his little face. George, say hi to everybody. Anyways, that's what we're gonna wear downtown to pick up some groovy goodies, and yeah. Bye, honey bear. Love you. Boo, 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 boo. As I always say, onward ho. Dun 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 dun. What a lovely day to be in downtown LA. Ooh, love that. Alrighty, so we are in the beautiful downtown Los Angeles, and ooh, it's very sunny. But first things first, we gotta get some shoes. So let's get some shoes. Look, guys, we met a friend. Hi.
Nice to meet you guys.
Anything you want to say to YouTube?
I love Amber. She's super cute and she's way smaller in person.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm sure. You're short too. We're kind of both, we're small, yeah. So cute. All right, happy shopping. Bye. Wow, a lot of choices in here. Not quite this. This isn't wide enough to bedazzle. And I don't like this heel because it's too thick. This could actually maybe work. This is good inspo. Okay, here we go. This is perfect. Oh, fits perfectly. Oh my goodness. I think we found a winner. Lighting in here. Anyways, look guys, another friend. Hi. Oh my god, look, your shirt matches. Oh, we're so cute.
We're matching, you know what I mean?
Anything you want to say to you too?
Guys, she's awesome. We're matching. If you guys need a wardrobe stylist or personal shopper, hit me up. Ariana Soleil.
There we go, look at that.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, it is so freaking, oh my god, that gold. It's gorgeous in here. It's everyone's favorite. Hi, Benny.
Hello.
Oh, look at us.
What's
We're
up?
so cute in our crystal store.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Awesome, awesome. Ready for the new project.
Good. So we need a couple of crystals. Do you have any?
Just look at this place. It's all for you. Just go for it. Just go for it.
The words to my heart. What do you want to be, little buddy? Let's find some glitters. Wow. Oh my god, this is the prettiest thing I've ever seen. Oh. Wow. Oh. 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 It's so fun in here. And they have all the crystals we could ever need. Now I don't even know what color I want to do. Huh. Oh my god, should I do pink? Or even hot pink? Or gold? Huh. What color do you want to be, Shoe? Too many choices. Now I'm stressed. I mean, not too stressed. I'm like in a store full of crystals still. But you know. Wow, 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 wow. Me on Valentine's Day. Oh my god, this is the greatest store in the whole world. Oh! Wow. Okay. Anywhoosie. I think these are perfect. I'm a doctor. Woo! Thanks, Betty! Woo! I'll send you a picture of them when they're done.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Bye. All right, now, well, I guess that's it. Now we're gonna go home. Derp, 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 derp. All right, onward home we go. Look, guys, another friend. Hi. Anything you want to say to YouTube? I don't know. You guys are so cute. I'm gonna cry.
George! Hello, angel man. Come here. Please let me film you. I want to film you. You're cute. Come back. You are a naughty, cute boy. Hi, George. I love you. Okay, so... Ooh, that's an angle. You guys ready for the haul of what you need? Okay, so here's what I ended up using for this project. So we have got, obviously, a pair of shoes that you want to bedazzle. These are the ones that I ended up picking. Cute, cute. We got, of course, the crystals that you want to do. I went ahead and picked some pink ones. We've got, this is like a little crystal wax pen. It's for picking up the crystals. I'll show you how to use that in a second. This is a little syringe to put the glue in to make it go on more of a straight, even line because the opening in this is big, but voila! The one and only, the treasured, infamous E6000 glue. Voila. And of course you need some sort of stencil for what you want to put on the shoe. I'm going to use this as a stencil because I wanted to say broke bitch.
I will explain this in a second, but basically that is all you need
For this project, so here we go.
Beep, beep, beep. Let's go, pumpkin. Okay, so first things first is to decide what you want the shoes to say. So I want them to say broke bitch because that's kind of like, you know, my brand. So I'm gonna make them say that. So basically I just went ahead, borrowed Benjamin's printer at the shop. He's so nice to let me use it and kind of just, you know, spaced it out and guessed until I could print it and see that it would fit inside the shoe kind of like so. Ta-da. Took a couple trial and errors to get the right sizing, but that is basically what I did there. Then I went ahead and just, obviously you have to cut it down to size. So went ahead and trimmed that out of the paper backing right there. Got a little bit of scotch tape and whatever and just taped it onto the inside of the shoe like so. And you can kind of guess, there we go. Oh my God, this actually looks kind of interesting, but that is going to be the stencil for our shoe design. So then we're gonna go ahead and take the E6000 glue and put that into the little syringe just so it comes out more evenly and in a small amount. And then what we're gonna do is literally just go ahead and kind of squirt that onto the shoe like this. Ooh, I feel like a doctor. I never went to medical school, obviously, but I did go to college anyways, doesn't matter. So go ahead and put that onto the shoe in a little line like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and take the crystals and we're gonna use the little wax pen, which like I showed you earlier, literally it just kind of picks up the crystals like that. It's very, very, very helpful for doing bedazzling projects because you don't need to use tweezers. So you can literally just pick up the crystals and place them right onto the glue like that. Yep, literally one by one. This is going to take forever. So make sure you grab some good bebop and music while you do it. Watch your favorite TV show, whatever floats your boat. And you can go ahead and just stick them on like so. See that? It's getting crystally. Keep going until eventually it looks like this. Voila. Then you can go ahead and peel off the little backing on the inside and it's going to be perfectly even symmetrical looking like you are a professional bedazzler. After a little while, this took me about an hour, to be honest, not that long. I expected it to take a lot longer. It looks pretty groovy. Oh my goodness, I'm pretty pleased. So now we're gonna go ahead and since it is dark and George is ready for the grand finale. Are you guys ready for the grand finale? Da-na-na-na-na, here we go. Drum roll, please. Da-na-na-na-na. Oh my goodness, are you guys ready? Oh, ta-da! You can see the finished product looks so beautiful. Honestly, even better than I expected. It looks so professional, so gorgeous. I love the glitter. Oh my God, you guys know I love glitter, but wow, this looks so pretty.
George, do you love them?
Yeah, you love them. You love them.
Oh, you're so cute, And ta-da! This is what they look like when they're done from far away. You really can't even see them, but here's the grand reveal. Anyway, boom, boom, boom. Oh my goodness. Woo! The added glitter is so fun. Please ignore my disgusting toes. I need to get a pedicure. We're like Cinderella. George. You can see overall they look so stinking cute. Such a fun little project, right, Pumpkin? Yeah. George, dance with me. Woo! No? All right. I love it. I love it. I love it.
I would say we frickin' nailed it.
So there you have it, you guys. That was me bedazzling my heels. I hope you love this silly little video. Also, look at my lip gloss. Ooh, poppin'. My makeup's also coming off, but you know, anyways. As always, if you do any of my DIYs, please tag me on social media. I love to see you guys. So it's at Amber Scholl. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, all the materials you need are linked below. And if you go visit Benny, tell him I sent you. And he'll probably text me and say hi. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so very much. Till next time, enjoy your blinged out kicks. I love ya. XO. My channel was originally founded on doing DIYs. George! I haven't done a DIY in a minute, mostly because I just haven't been... George.